Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you go about setting up your Crypto.com DeFi wallet so that it hooks up with your Crypto.com app account. So what we want to do is click on the DeFi wallet application. And from the homepage of your DeFi wallet, what you want to do is click on the little settings gear in the upper left-hand corner. And you can see in our settings, we have this button where it says connect to Crypto.com app. Transfer coins easily between this Crypto.com DeFi wallet and the Crypto.com app. That's what we want to do. So we're going to click on this button right here. And we have a couple of different check boxes here. The first one is by connecting the apps, I understand the connection will associate my Crypto.com identity with this wallet. So we can check that box. And then the next one is I confirm that I am the ultimate beneficial owner of both the Crypto.com app and the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. The funds transferred from the Crypto.com app to the Crypto.com DeFi wallet are my own funds. I am acting for myself and not for any third parties. So then we can check that box and then click the big blue connect button at the bottom. Now we need to authenticate the connection. So to do this, enter in the email that is associated with your Crypto.com app and enter that in here and then click send connection email. So opening up the email that they sent me, if we scroll down, we should find a blue connect button. That's what we want to click on to connect our Crypto.com DeFi wallet to our Crypto.com app. And we need to press the connect button within 2 hours after the request or else the link will expire. And it's also important to note that you need to make sure to do this with the device that your Crypto.com DeFi wallet is installed to. Since I'm on my smartphone where this DeFi wallet is installed to, I'm good to go. So then I can click connect and then enter in your Crypto.com app passcode. And then we're almost done here. What we need to do is click the button where it says authorize and launch DeFi wallet. And it takes me back to the Crypto.com DeFi wallet where it says that the wallet was successfully connected to the Crypto.com app. Now you can easily transfer funds between Crypto.com DeFi wallet and Crypto.com app. So I'm going to click got it. So now you should be set up and ready to go. All you have to do is go back over to the Crypto.com app and you can send over cryptocurrency to your Crypto.com DeFi wallet. And to show you what this looks like in the Crypto.com app, I'm going to go back to my home screen and open up the Crypto.com app. And I'm going to click transfer at the top. And this would be a withdrawal to the DeFi wallet. And this is going to be crypto, withdraw crypto to other platforms. And you can see in the options here that I now have the Crypto.com DeFi wallet selectable and ready to go. So I can click on that. And then you can select the cryptocurrency that you'd like to send and complete that process. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and I'll catch you back here next time.